I'm gonna redo this. Wait, hold on. Let me turn off my fan. Oh, I know that shit is gonna be loud as fuck in the microphone. All right. So I want to redo this trade recap because I feel like in the moment I was a lot more hyped about it than really like seeing what was actually going on. And I just came up with a new thesis on what was actually why this was a bad trade. In my opinion, this was probably the worst trade I've ever taken. Uh, Within the last, I'd say, month, probably. Um, okay, it's not that serious. Like a trade's a trade, right? Or winning trade, winning trade. I was correct on a low time frame about this small liquidity sweep, but I want to start focusing more on the big draws to liquidity and what really, what the market's really trying to do. Essentially, that's what I'm trying to say. Um, so basically, I took this trade early in the morning. My bias was bearish. Okay, so I usually trade from 6:30 a.m. my time, which is 9:30. That's market open here in California, to about. I wait until 10 a.m. New York time, because that's when the 4-hour candle closes, the first 4-hour close of New York session, and that's when the most volatility comes into the market. I feel within those like first 30 minutes of the 4-hour close is when the most liquidity is entered into the market and most high ticket orders and people higher ups, essentially like people that move the market for real. So because look, if you look, this is pre-market right here. This is all pre-market. 10 a.m. hits. This is the open of the 10 a.m. candle. This is the close of the 10 a.m. candle. These are all 4-hour candles, but you see how this one's small, with lots of motion in between, but a small close defining that it's a small candle with small money. This right here is big money. This is smart money. So we want to follow this when we take trades, right? And this morning my bias was bearish, but what I didn't realize was that, so my original take profit was right here. Um, I should have realized that the overall draw for this market session is bullish. We are in an extremely strong bull run right now, from about Thursday the 8th until today, which is 19th, right? So about over a week. Um, we've seen insane bullish pressure, which is surprising because not very long ago, about 3 weeks ago, I think, first week of August, people were tripping. Yeah, first week of August. I remember August 15th because that's the day that I went to a Dodgers game with my chick. So, yeah, there was this right here, which was a lot of fear. This was, yeah, right here. All this move was all from insane news about, the World War III and the economy and Japan and whatnot. In my head, I said, well, whenever there's fear like this, especially nowadays, the market tends to move the same within a couple days. Like things like the 2008 market crash. That I mean, I don't know. I feel like that's imminent, but every time something like this happens, everyone shits the bed and they're like, "Oh, we're going down, we're going down, we're going down." And like they like freak out, right? And then you forget about it, and just like that, dude, there's more news. Like every single day, there's something new, right? So like I feel like the world seems to forget what's really going on, and markets go right back to doing their thing, dude. Like we were at all-time highs about a month ago, like off by a couple days, we were at all-time highs. Um, and then this happened, and everyone's like, "Yeah, dude, recession's coming. The VIX is as high as it's ever been, and the fucking whatever." Bro, everything is fine. Like, I don't know. Right here, we just cleared this high. Uh, it seems as if tomorrow, or not tomorrow, within the week, we're going to clear this high. It looks bullish. I'm saying that, you know, we come back into a BPR for tomorrow. I don't know. I don't like to be biased, but I also like to be technical and think of what is possible and what could happen. So I think that we're gonna come back into a BPR. Oh my god, I don't know why I just thought I felt like I wasn't recording, but I am. I feel like we're gonna come back into a balanced price range, uh, with within maybe Asian and London session, and then continue our uptrend. Uh, yeah, strong week. We have FOMC on Wednesday. I am not very sure if the high ups are talking, like Powell. Um, I don't know. I don't really know who's talking this time on these FOMC meeting minutes, but it's red folder, so I'm assuming that Waller, or not Waller, this fucking guy, what's this motherfucker's name? The lizard. Jerome Powell. Fuck, I forgot his name for a second. Cause yeah, see, like when Waller, I think, is his runner up, and this is only an orange, and these two are yellows. They're randos, total randos. But this one's red, so I'm assuming Powell's speaking. Well, let's be sure. Is Jerome Powell speaking on what day is Wednesday? 21. Why isn't it doing the AI thing? The AI thing always answers your questions the best. You know, like I don't fuck with AI as much as the next person, but 10 a.m. speech, August 2024. It's the 21st. What is FOMC minutes? What is FOMC minutes? Alright, let's see. The minutes of Federal Open Market Committee meetings, which are released 3 weeks after each meeting, provide a timely summary of the discussion during the meeting and the decisions taken at the meeting. I don't really get what that means. Detailed record of the Federal Open Marketing Committee meetings and are released 3 weeks. The minutes offer more concise insights on the monetary policy stance of all members. Oh, I guess it's just like a small little data release or like information release to the public, I guess. I don't think it's a whole speech. Oh, I'm eating pizza, by the way. That's hot. Probably would be smart not to trade. It's at 2 p.m. Usually market sets up for stuff like that. Like the day before, day of type thing. So I probably won't. There's no point in trading. I won't trade on Wednesday. After that, unemployment, I'm down to trade on this. This will only give more volatility to the market, which I like. And then Friday, Powell speech. All right, no trade on Friday either. Yeah. So that's it for today. I will be back tomorrow.